Hi there, I'm Andrew Martyr from MarketingSharks.com. I just got a notification from Joshua Zamora that this product here, called AI AutoBlogger 5 sites. I'm going to call it AutoBlogger with the AI in the beginning. And so right to the end, I like to start at the finish, which is $24.95. And let's go to the beginning where he says, how would you like, once you set this up, it's all done through artificial intelligence, you don't even have to log into your WordPress again. That it just goes on autopilot. Is that the kind of thing that you'd be willing to spend $25 for? Heck yeah. Let's look inside, and I'll give you a look inside. Joshua Zamora does lots of these great, I'm going to describe it as software to make you money. That's really what he specializes in. Let's go to the top. Auto blogging plugin powered by ChatGPT. It'll write, optimize, and post all your content in any niche or language. And I'll show you the 3 simple steps because it's pretty straightforward. And you can read through, watch. So I've got all the things here. There we go. There's the 3 steps. Download and install the plugin, of course. Configure the settings for exactly what content you want, how often and when your content should be posted. And this is where the magic happens. This will just take you a few moments. Name of your just name of it, how many posts for this project. So you're going to do, why does black Nike sneakers jump into my head? Let's use that as an idea. I'm sure that'd be a dumb idea. There'd be lots of competition, but let's do that. So you're going to do 25 posts. You're going to make 1 a day. You're going to post every day. You can see that where you can go active or inactive. You can put the subject, give you some ideas of what he's looking for. You see the idea. You're going to tell it what it's supposed to do. Bam, bam, bam. How many posts a day? What days? What time? The niche, the language. I'd like you to post it all in Spanish. Okay. And so on. So you have a lot of flexibility in what you're going to set him to do, your AI robot. And then hit start. And the optimize artificial intelligence plugin writes, optimize, and posts all the content for you. And it's going to just be exactly what you want. It's going to crank this stuff out, and you're going to get traffic, you're going to get clicks, and you're going to get sales. You're going to set the whole thing up. Like he says, the easiest way. You're never going to do niche sites manually ever again. Maybe we'll cut it short here. $24.95. Joshua Zamora is a very reputable software creator for things that make money. And I'll put the link for you. That'll take you to my site at MarketingSharks.com. And when you get there, you can read some of the features, some of the different things you can do, and then click back over here. Early bird discount. It really just came out. It's 10:13 in the morning on the 18th of May. Just came out. I got an email like 5 minutes ago and put this together to go, hey, go check out what Joshua's done. So check this out. If you're at all interested in auto blogging, this is artificial intelligence auto blogging, the best auto blogger you're going to find. Fresh out today. Go check it out. $24.95. I'm Andrew Martyr from MarketingSharks.com.